So I've shortened the axles, got the wheels freely turning, and I knew that the ride height would be a bit of an issue, but the direction of this project is going to have to change because that's the ride height needs to be 3 millimeters higher to look like a standard production Falcon suspension. This is a scale lowered suspension of 100 millimeters or thereabouts, with being 132 scale. So yeah, this project will take a different course now. I'll have to buy another kit from KNL, start again. The next one, I'm not gonna try and change this to get the desired ride height. I'll just make another car. There's going to have to be some major modifications of the chassis so that I can get the desired look, but that's alright. I don't mind having another XA. I think I'll turn this into a GS because I've already filled in the scoops. I'll fill in the side scoops. I'll leave the driving lights in the grille just to make things easier. I'm thinking I might actually put a blower assembly on this just to make it a bit different. I bought a 1/32 scale kit with a custom twin blower motor, so I'll be able to make some molds with the blue stuff from Green Stuff World. So yeah, I'll make this a GS so I don't have to change the steering wheel. I can leave the driving lights in the grille. I'll just finish off getting rid of the scoops, the bonnet pins. That way I won't have to do anything to the fuel cap. I can just leave that. I'll have to put a different set of wheels. These wheels will be required for the Interceptor tribute car. But yeah, so it's just too low on the ride height. Looks good, but it's not what I need for this project. So I'll get another kit from KNL Slots and I'll have to start again, make another car. And raising the body by 3 mil will mean that the motor will fit underneath the interior, so that'll make things a little bit easier that way too. So that'll just be a new project.